guys, what's up? Welcome back. So I am super excited today because I get to work with some new eyeshadows thanks to my wonderful coworker Brittany. She and I like to talk makeup. She has a subscription to Boxycharm. I'm sure some of you watching know all about Boxycharm, or maybe even you use it yourself. I am familiar with what Boxycharm is, but I've never used it myself, and I had to do a little bit of research to figure out what exactly Boxycharm is. So for those of you that don't know what Boxycharm is, basically you pay, I think it's $21 a month, and you get like a box of makeup every month, and it's just, I assume, pre-selected for you. There's a certain box that comes out to everybody, and it has a little bit of everything in it each month, and it's different, and they are full-sized items. Whether it's great or not great, I couldn't tell you. I've heard good things, but I think that there's also some people that don't like it, so you can do some research on your own as far as that goes. But this video is going to be all about Boxycharm eyeshadow. I'm probably going to have to split this up into a couple of videos because Brittany has a pile of eyeshadow palettes from her Boxycharm boxes that she barely even uses. She has asked me to help her figure out some different maybe color combos and different eyeshadow looks with these palettes that she's let me borrow. Now I am gonna tone it down a little bit. Usually I like to go pretty bold with color. I'm gonna try to create some looks with these palettes that are a little more everyday look, but they still are glamorous and bright and fun. I'm already sweating. Glam Metals is what I'm gonna start with today. I am a wannabe rock star, always have been, so this is gonna let me live my fantasy. Like, look how cool these colors are. Okay, and here are all of the shades here. And now we can finally jump right into the video. Okay, so I've brought you in here super close so you can see the eyes nicely, and I'll try to stop looking at myself in the viewfinder. Also, just ignore this. I put concealer and foundation and then concealer on it again, and it still looks like that. Anyways, obviously I've already done all my face makeup, so don't have to do all of that for you today. I'm gonna start by priming my eyelids, and I'm using the MAC Paint Pot in Painterly. Now, because this palette only has 2 mattes, okay, so the eyeshadow pans do fall out of the palette. We only have 2 mattes, the black and the brown, so that kind of limits what we can do with the palette without it being super dark. But you know, it's called Glam Metals. We're rock stars today. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull from one of her other palettes, and I'm gonna use this one, the Boxycharm Her palette, and I'm going to dip into this orangey shade right here as a transition shade. And so I'm just gonna dip into that, and I'm placing that right above my crease, and I'm just working back and forth. I'm just gonna jump right into this brown matte shade here and stamp it into my outer corner and start working it into the crease. It's getting a little bit patchy in here, but I'm gonna do a half cut crease with concealer here in just a minute, so that won't matter so much. We just want to get this corner and crease looking nice. Okay, so this is what we have so far. Now I'm going to take my MAC Paint Pot again and carve out the front of my eyelid. I'm starting just using my finger to get the majority of it down, and then I'm going to take a more precise flat brush on my crease Now at this point with these shadows, you could literally do like any shade of shimmer that you want to do. The copper color in this palette is really calling my name, so that's what I'm going to go with today. I'm just taking that on my finger. And holy crap, this color is good. Look at that. What? So I'm just dabbing this over where I put my concealer. Now I'm just going to dip right back into that matte brown and blend the two shades together so that we don't have any harsh lines. I said I was going to go natural and here I am. I'm going to go here with this kind of brownish red shade and blend it into my bottom lash line. And there is the eyeshadow look all completed. Now I'm going to go ahead and do some eyeliner and mascara off of camera. And I'll be right back. I'm not going to do any fake lashes because 1, I don't wanna, 2, Brittany probably doesn't wanna, and 3, I don't know, I'm just not doing any lashes. Alright guys, now that is it for this look. Obviously this look might be a little dark for some people, but I don't think it's out of control. This is definitely appropriate for you to wear to work or to Sunday brunch or something like that. Maybe it's just me, I don't know. But I absolutely love the shadows in this palette, and I think that this turned out really, really cool and really fun. The next eyeshadow palette that I'm going to dive right into is going to be the Eyeliner eyeshadow palette. Since that's the June palette, I think I need to get that out in June, so I'm definitely going to do that next, and I'll upload it very soon for you guys to enjoy. Let me know in the comments if you guys are using Boxycharm or what you think. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Is it something that I should do? Tell me the tea. Shout out to Brittany again for letting me borrow all her eyeshadow palettes and play this weekend, and hopefully this is helpful to you, girl. I know that you really want to get creative with these eyeshadows, and I know you can do it. I think you would love this look. It would look so good on you. Ooh, with your brown hair and your brown eyes. Ooh, so pretty. Again, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to link all the products that I've used down in the description below if you're curious about anything you saw here today or anything you didn't see here today too. I did a full face and you didn't even know. Guys, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.